So in this Canva tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to create a contact list here on Canva. So once Canva is opened up, I want you guys to go to the left-hand side, select Elements. Now for me, I'm already on the page, but for example, if you're on Elements right here, go down to where it says Browse Categories, and I want you to scroll down to where it says Sheets, and then select it. Once sheets are selected under track, go ahead and press see all. Now, because we want to go ahead and create a contact list, the simplest way for us to do that is to actually just get a template, which is right here, the contact list template. You can go ahead and change different stuff here, but if I were to go ahead and submit it, I can go ahead and add it here and just sort of play off of this from here. So first and foremost, you have your contact list here. If you wanted to maybe change where that's located, you can always go ahead here and maybe I want to center it just like that. So I can copy this, I can paste it here, delete that. You can kind of format it that way. If you want to add more columns or more rows, just go ahead and tap on it as well. Right down at the bottom here where there's the plus icon, you can go ahead and actually increase some more rows here. So if I were to go ahead and actually just bring this up a little bit, which I will do. So here it is. I'll just press it. Hold on. Sorry. I'll move it up just like that. I can actually go ahead and add more rows beneath if I want to. And these rows are all going to be clear. So if I wanted to maybe delete this information, I can delete this information as well, and then delete this. It's actually going to be sort of a fresh start. So you can just change whatever you have to do. So date last updated, you can go ahead and select today's date if you want. Contacted, yes or no. Let's just say yes. Let's just say my name is John, or sorry, surname is Smith, John, company, just type in company, phone number, 123456789 email at email.com, and then socials, I'll just type in Instagram or whatever. So you kind of get the gist of it, but you can basically just use this exact template if you want. Now, if you want to customize it even further, you can go ahead and you can change the color of this. So for example, if I were to go up here and maybe I wanted to change this to more of like a green color, you can do that. If you wanted to change this to a different shade of green, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to update rows, update information, you can basically play around with it. But this is the simplest way for you guys to create a contact list. Just go into Canva, use the preset or use the template, and then just edit the information as it follows. You can also customize this as well. If you wanted to add a new option, we can say maybe or whatever. I can go ahead, add a check mark right there. How about I go ahead and I make this option yellow, just like that. And I will go ahead and maybe add an emoji if you want to as well. Whatever the case may be, we can go ahead and change all of them. So if you were to go ahead and do this, you can add maybe right there or whatever information you're looking for. So that is how you guys can create and add a contact list here on Canva. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.